Defendant. The court found against the defendant. Suspect. The suspect has dark hair and green eyes. Police officer. He was arrested for obstruction of a police officer in the execution of his duty. Detective. The detective examined the window frame for fingerprints. Gavel. The judge took off the gavel with solemnity. Gun. It is the man behind the gun that tells. Handcuffs. They put handcuffs on the two men and led them away. Jail. The prisoner was taken under escort to the jail. Fingerprints. The fingerprint extract was asked to testify at the trial. Bullets. The policeman's bullets deflected to bullet. Defense attorney. The defense attorney phrased his summation at last. Witness. Life without a friend is death without a witness. Court reporter. A court reporter takes down in his own shorthand a statement read out in open court. Judge. The judge did not jail the young man but put him on your probation for a year. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share.